Hi, my name's Chris Kearns and I'm the Regional Manager for Altis Consulting UK. I'm joined today by Ian Stuart, who is our UK training lead and also one of our data visualization experts. Hi, Ian.
Hi, Chris.
Ian's going to chat with me today about our newest one-day training course called Power BI DAX Foundations. Ian, can we start off by you describing, please, what is DAX?
Yes, certainly. DAX itself stands for Data Analysis Expressions, and it's a programming language that's essential for getting the most out of Power BI. Very similar to the way that formulae in Excel are essential for getting the most out of Excel.
Great. And who is the training suitable for?
Anybody that's attended Power BI dashboard in a day or has a similar level of understanding of Power BI, but also people that understand basic reporting concepts such as tables, columns, rows, data types, and how tables are joined. What would also be beneficial is an understanding of another programming language, another functional programming language, such as formulae in Excel.
Great. And what does the training course cover?
We start the day with an introduction and overview of DAX, and we finish that off with a very short exercise to get the students limbered up. And then we have 6 chapters. The first chapter is best practice and variables. And then we have a chapter on DAX table functions. Then we move into a chapter just on evaluation contexts. And evaluation contexts are a foundational concept in Power BI that people need to get their heads around. We then have a chapter designated solely to the calculate and related calculate table function. These are very powerful and very widely used. Therefore, they require a chapter all of their own. Then we have a section on relationships and how we can use DAX to traverse relationships between tables. And finally, we have a chapter on time intelligence, where we write functions such as year to date. And of course, the day is wrapped up with a Q&A at the end.
Excellent. Sounds like a very thorough agenda. How is the day structured?
We approach each chapter in a similar way. So explanation, demonstration, practice. So we start off with a few slides to explain the concept, then move over to Power BI, where we demonstrate how to create the DAX functions and how to use them and how to test them. And then it's over to the students to carry out exercises, pre-prepared exercises, before we move on to the next chapter.
Great, thanks, Ian. And finally, what would you expect students to take away from the day?
I would hope that they go away with a good understanding of DAX concepts and a knowledge of how to use some common DAX functions and where to find other DAX functions as well. But also, I'd like them to go away with a realization that DAX is a very powerful language and it's huge, and that it's going to take them a long time to master.
Excellent. Thank you very much, Ian. So our Power BI DAX Foundations, as the name suggests, gives people a solid foundation in being able to get to know more about DAX, which is very important to getting the most out of Power BI. We've got 2 ways that you can access the training. One is you can register for our scheduled public training courses. You can check out the dates for those on our website. Secondly, we can deliver all of our one-day training courses directly to your organisation for groups of up to 15 people at a time. If you'd like to learn more, please feel free to get in touch with me. And thanks for watching.
Thank you.